Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited to be building and reviewing another KiwiCo Tinker Crate. This KiwiCo Tinker Crate is for ages 9 and up. It says, make your own color mixing LED crystal. Wire up a color changing LED and explore the colors of light. I wonder what a color mixing LED crystal is. It sounds awesome! Let's see what's inside. Let's start building. Step 1. Poke a brad through a metal tab, then up the hole labeled red. Slide the short red wiring onto the brad, then open the brad to secure. Step 2. Repeat for the holes labeled green and blue with the short green wire and the short blue wire. Step 3. Place the 2 AA batteries into the battery pack and then put the cover back on. Step 4. Line up the ground bar and poke a brad up through the right-hand hole. Slide the battery ring over the brad, then open to secure. Step 5. Poke brads up through the left and middle holes. Open the brads to secure. Step 6. Stick the white sticky foam squares onto the base. Then peel off the backings. Step 7. Slide the crystal through the large hole in the base. Press the edges of the crystal to secure it to the sticky foam. Step 8. Stick the battery to the back of the base with the white sticky foam rectangle. Peel off the backing. Make sure the switch sticks out the window. Step 1. Stick the T-bar through the base's left slot. Slide it across and through the right slot. Step 2. Stick 2 gray sticky foam squares and the sticky foam donut onto the T-bar. This next step is really important. Make sure that the longest leg on your LED isn't connected to any of the wires. Step 4. Support the T-bar as you press the RGB LED down into the gray donut. From left to right, the wires should go blue, green, empty, red. Step 5. Trim the wires on 1 blue resistor and 2 tan resistors. Make sure you are supervised by an adult or ask for help. Step 6. Connect the medium and the short red wires to the blue resistor. Make sure the resistor is in firmly. Step 7. Press the red wire connectors onto the sticky foam squares on the right wall. Step 8. Connect the blue wires to a tan resistor, then stick them to the left wall. Repeat for the green wires and stick them to the bottom. Step 9. Connect the yellow wire from the battery to the longest pin on the LED. From left to right, the order should be blue, green, yellow, red. Step 10. Flip your base over and place it on a flat surface. Turn on the battery and get ready to mix colors. Let's see what happens. Let's turn on the first color. Wow, this one's red. Turn it off. Let's turn on the second color. Ooh, this one's green. Turn it off. Let's turn on the last color. Wow, that's beautiful blue. Turn it off. Now let's mark them. This one's red. This one's green. And this one's blue. Let's see what happens when you mix two colors. Let's mix red and blue. Wow, you get purple. Now let's try red and green. Woo, you get yellow. Now let's try green and blue. This is so awesome. You get cyan. This is so fascinating. I really like it. This video wasn't sponsored. It was just my honest review. But I really recommend that you try and build this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I will make more videos soon. Bye! I'm gonna continue playing with my crystal now.